y'all. Today we're going to be doing wash day, as y'all know, but guess what? We're doing a review of For You by Tia's hairline. I didn't even know she had a hairline, but thank you to her team for sending this to me. Thank you, Tia girl. We're going to rate this, review it, and see what it's giving. We're also going to be doing a full style, so I'm thinking of a wash and go, maybe a braid out. I'm not really sure what I'm feeling yet, but I'm excited to try it all, so let's get into it. Alright girlies, so I'm going to be using some gloves, and I've seen some creators do this before, but I just randomly did this one day and really wanted to try it because, number one, nails are done, and I just did them, so you want to make sure you keep them. Plus, I don't feel like dealing with them getting stuck under my nails and all that, whatever. Two, because I have a sensitive scalp and I'm wondering like if that will help like cleanse my scalp better. I have no idea. I want to say 3 weeks ago, and I'm like, I have to do this, so bought some gloves just for that, and I think y'all should try it. I noticed a really big difference. And as a natural girl, you want to make sure that you are doing your hair in sections. I know it don't look like a lot, but it is a lot, girl, okay? So let's get started.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, hey girl. If you are new, I'm just giving y'all, as you know, a review. I was as detailed as could be. I talked throughout the video, so I'm not going to say too much. I'm going to give you a real authentic, honest review so that your coins are being well spent. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, make sure you like it, comment, and subscribe, girl.
Wow. It's really good. So far, it's having a great lather and it's very sudsy, and I think a little goes a long way. I thought it wasn't doing much at first, but it's doing something for real.
Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no. Baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow. Or act like you're my girl. Let's get the basics. Whoa, no. He's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're burning up. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, a collectible, just like fine China. Favorite, you're my favorite. It's like all the girls around me don't have faces, and the saying goes, life is just a game, but I'm not playing. Whoa, whoa, he's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're burning up.
Alright girlies, after that workout, we're going to go ahead and get into this deep conditioner. So we have the deep conditioning repair mask. I was watching another review, if I'm not mistaken, Hemi 15. It's one of their staple ingredients that they use in all of their products. I believe it's really good for slip and detangling, and that's what I think I really experienced. Like, it was so simple washing my hair with these products. Like, so I can't wait to try the next 3. Y'all know we gotta hydrate because we's tired. We are gonna go in with our gloves again because, girl, I just feel like, I don't know if that contributed to the slip or not, but you want your gloves to kind of have this rib material because I think that's what also helps really clean my scalp.
I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, a collectible, of time in this world. Save me a lot of time and just love me. Feel it, baby, feel it in your soul.
Okay, y'all, so we're gonna go in with a leave-in cream. I don't normally do this in my hair routine. I don't know why. I just jumped straight into the curl cream because I feel like it's moisturizing in itself. But I'm happy and excited to be trying this. A cool thing about this product though, it has a twist top where you can just twist and it's open, which I think is so cool. And for the stronghold gel, I think we're gonna do pretty good with this because strong should mean defined, okay? That's what I'm looking for. Oh, this is definitely more of a jelly than a gel. Delivers all day hold and hydration. So if worst comes to worst, I'm just gonna go ahead and do a braid out, but I do want to try and wash and go and see what these products can do on my type 4 hair. The products do smell really good. I think the one that I smelled the least was the shampoo, but the conditioner and the deep conditioner were my favorite smells. So what I'm gonna do right now is test this section with the wash and go, and if it doesn't work, we're gonna head towards a braid out. Just giving by what I already see, I don't think that the leave-in cream is giving me any sort of hold at all. So we're just gonna use this as a moisturizer because I don't see any type of hold. This is just puff. Also, people are gonna be like, saturate your hair with water. My hair does not work with water. I have low porosity hair and frizzy hair. My hair works best and it gets defined the best on dry hair. That is how I do my nose. The jelly is a nice consistency. Okay, the curls are clumping together. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the curls are definitely clumping together. Like, that's really nice actually. Now the roots I think are a little bit more puffier, so I'm gonna add some to the roots to make sure that all of it can be a little bit more defined. I'm scared to brush through it because I'm gonna just do it just to see what happens. So after I brush through it, I'm gonna finalize it with some more and then leave it alone. Add a little bit of leave-in. Yeah, it's not working. This is the loosest part of my hair, so it worked really well on this, but the rest is definitely still frizzy. So I don't think that the wash and go is gonna work, but I can try and pivot and do a braid out, so let's hope that this works. Since we're already moisturizing everything, even it looks so cute. It does look really cute on the nape area where my curls are, but it's not. It's gonna be frizzy. I already know.
You ready?
Alright, hey you guys, so I just finished doing my braid out. This is what it's looking like. Okay, so a couple things about these products. Since I've tried the products already, I'm gonna rate them right now and pray for great results tomorrow. The shampoo, I would give that about an 8 out of 10. I think that the slip and detangling is 10 out of 10. I feel like I didn't even detangle my hair before, and for it to have glided through my hand so easily, I was like, yeah, that was great. Okay, the conditioner, moisturizing conditioner, it felt really good on my hair. Really love the way it smells, and the slip was also 10 out of 10. So if you're looking for a really good slip on her products, the clarifying shampoo and the moisturizing conditioner, they're gonna eat. As far as my scalp feeling clean, I mean, it looks clean. Like, I really feel like gloves make a difference for me personally, just being more gentle on your scalp, because they say we're actually not supposed to use our nails. Although it feels so good, we're not supposed to, because I guess it destroys our scalp a little bit. Ever since I've been using gloves, my scalp has been getting really, really clean. That's just a tip for anybody who's looking for, anybody who struggles with a really, it could be a funky scalp, it could be a dandruffy scalp. Like, ever since I've been using gloves, I have been good, which is crazy. The deep conditioner, to be honest, I don't really know how I felt about the deep conditioner. My hair felt okay. It didn't feel like ultra soft or like ultra moisturizing. I did leave it in past 30 minutes, probably about 45 minutes to 50. And I don't really know what to rate it. The deep conditioners I normally deal with usually have my hair feeling really soft. The only thing for this one I think that it had going for itself was the smell. And I think a con to it though is how small the tubs are. They are literally 8 ounces. And if you have type 4 thick hair like me, I think the problem I'm having is, if it's For You by Tia, I think it's a very intentional name, but I don't think the intentions meet the goals of making it for every hair type. So that's the only issue that I'm really having with the last 3 products. The leave-in curl cream, it says soft hold and smooth frizz. I definitely feel like this would be more for someone with type 3 hair, even type 2 hair. I think this would definitely be lightweight and great for them. I think I reminded myself why I don't like leave-in creams. I don't think this absorbed in my hair at all, really. You know how you mix 2 different products and sometimes it's like a white overdue, like a white film? It literally, like, it's not soaking into my hair. And products that work for my hair normally absorb and it locks in. So for this one, I'll just say that, like, I feel like it left like a film over my hair. Not like a greasy type film. It's more so like, you know, the little white balls when products don't mix well. It just didn't really absorb in my hair when I was breaking it through, rubbing it in, combing it even. It just didn't really, it looks like this actually. It looks like that, like on my hair. Like, it's not absorbing at all. I would rate this one, for me personally, I can't really say too much. I would probably say a 3 or 4. Sorry, girl. Just some positive critical feedback. The last product, it didn't get the job done as far as me using it for a wash and go, because that was my original plan. See how it works on type 4 hair wash and go wise. I knew that the wash and go wasn't going to come out how I normally experience my wash and goes. So for that part, I would give it definitely a 5. However though, this does have some benefits. I feel like it did define the bottom of my hair very well versus the roots of my hair. I don't know if that's just a low porosity thing, because I do have low porosity. Again, products do not absorb easily into my hair, but the ones that work for me do. But I will say that because it is a gel, it is kind of hardening a little bit, which is a good sign, because that means that the definition will most likely be there tomorrow. So that's what we're going to look forward to. I think my overall feedback for the brand would be definitely make the products larger in size and maybe just increase the price, because I'm only going to get about 2 uses out of this, and I'm used to using my products about at least 4 times before I have to buy a new one. That's something that I'm not really a fan of about the products. Increasing them in size would be amazing. You would definitely just have to increase the price. It probably would be beneficial to create a collection design for type 4 hair. Not every product is going to work for every person, but I think it's better for business when you specify, like, hey, this is For You by Tia, but we have a collection that works best for type 3 hair, and we have a collection that works best for type 4 hair, and we have a collection that works best for type 3 and 4. Like, some people have type 3 and 4 hair. If you were able to do that, that's gonna be amazing. That would be my critique for that, because I definitely feel like these products will work best on people with type 3 looser curls, looser texture hair. So that is my review so far. Tomorrow we're gonna see if we have some results. So far, I'm not really feeling it at all. The looser texture is in the back of my hair, and the products worked on nape area, but as far as the thicker pieces of my hair, the coarser texture is definitely not. It's really frizzy. It doesn't even feel like the product was moisturizing. And I don't think maybe that was the definition of those products anyway, but for even the leave-in curl cream, like, it didn't really absorb in my hair either. So immediately this is gonna go in a puff, because that's all I can do with this style to save it. I was gonna like try to do a little slick back situation up here, but I don't even think that that's gonna work for me, to be honest. Yeah, all this up here, Like, that's kind of cute. I could kind of do a half up, little half down situation, but no. Try and fluff it out a little bit more. Also, after a whole day of my hair being like this, my hair is still wet. Okay, so this is the best I could do for right now, but I'm gonna come back and do my edges and figure out how to make this puff sit a little bit better and finish the look, if there is one. All right, hey you guys, this is sort of the final look. I'm going to define my curls just a little bit more with something else. Overall, I really love the shampoo and conditioner the most out of this line. I feel like those were the two most powerful products that worked on my hair. My hair felt really great from those products. However, the last three, I don't think I really liked any of those products. I deep conditioned my hair many times before, and there have been products that have defined my curls and made my hair feel very, very moisturized, and for that to be a deep conditioner, it didn't really do anything. The products really sat on top of my hair, as well as the leave-in curl cream and the stronghold gel. They really sat on my hair. My hair was not even dry. Like, those products are not for everybody. That's kind of like a pun. I will say I really, really do love the shampoo and conditioner. However, to each his own, it works on everybody else's hair differently, but I definitely think if you have a looser texture, 3C, maybe 3B, this might work better for you as far as the styling creams. It's a little bit more lightweight, and yeah. However, I will say about the stronghold gel, it does have a stronger hold, so you never know, you might win with it. Hey, we'll see. But yeah, you guys, I really appreciate you for watching my video. I am gonna freshen this up, so make sure you watch my YouTube shorts, because I always show like a little, you know, a little fancy little style that I put together. I haven't done a puff since I was in freaking high school. Like, oh my god, it's been forever. Like, I didn't even know that this was gonna work, so I'm very shocked. Yeah, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the review, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. The sun is